Yeah. All right.
What are we working on?
2013 BMW 320 Xi. We got the passenger rear door. The lock isn't working, so we're gonna go ahead and change that. Start by taking this trim piece off here. Use trim tool. I wouldn't recommend using a flathead screwdriver, but
Mark it up to hell.
So it's just like metal clips that hold that in. There's a lot of pressure. It feels like it's gonna break, but it didn't. They're actually pretty strong. But yeah, so work your way from the bottom was the easiest to get into, but you want to take this side off first. This piece hooks in to start. So keep that in mind. Set that to the side. You're gonna have 2 screws that are in here. I'll take those out in a second. Next thing I want to take off is this window switch. So I believe we'll go.
Push the tab in.
Just like that. There's just 2 tabs there. One in the back. Take this clip off. Okay. Probably wanted just a small pick, but you can see right there's a little tab. So if you use a little pick, you can push in on it and take it out. So I'm gonna grab one of those, and I think it's a T30.
2 of them?
No, T10. No, 20. T20. T20.
So what size is that?
So it was everything that it was a T25. Everything but the size that I said.
So those 2?
Yeah. 2 screws. Grab a pick. And push in on here. Just like that. Get our window switch out of the way. And then it should be clips all around the door here. So I'm just going to grab a hold of this and give it a pull.
Lift up?
Yeah.
Nope. Oop.
So just be cautious, there is speakers in here. Got some wiring that runs over to here. Yeah.
Oh, that's the tweeter. That makes sense.
I can't see underneath of this thing to see what it is. With caution, you know. Take your time and figure it out. Don't break it. So there.
See, that we don't even have to take that off.
Like it seems like this would push up, but
There you go.
which it does.
Just slides out?
Yeah, like there is a little tab on the bottom.
Okay. So you have to push on it.
Yeah, like the little tab's right there.
Uh-huh.
It's very, very small. I'm sure if you pull on it hard enough, it would come out, but I wouldn't recommend doing that. Yeah, I just pushed on the bottom of the clip.
Yeah. Here's the connector for the lock assembly.
And we'll peel this back so you can see what's inside here.
What do you call that stuff again?
Butyl tape.
Butyl
I
tape.
think is the technical term.
So inner tubes are made out of.
Really?
Yeah, beautiful. Not like that though. All right, not bad.
That pops out. These are 230.
Are you sure?
100% sure. I got this one up point. I guess I gotta roll the window down to get this one out of the way.
Want to just try it like this one?
Yeah, let's just try it.
Without the window? The window is way over here, by the way, compared to the front, so
Let's just try
we might be good.
Maybe.
And we still got the handle attached to it, remember that.
That's right. The sweet handle mechanism. I love taking these apart. Such a simple design. Just kidding.
It's just that same.
Yeah, the top has to pop out of there. It's just painful on the fingers.
So we got the top out of there. Bottom out.
Just doing that blind.
Yeah. Wiggle the assembly because it's kind of like glued in there or something.
Yeah, probably just from being in there
Yeah.
for the last friggin' however many years.
9 years.
Look at that, like a charm.
Okay, that one's way easier than the front. Grab a new one. Is there anything off the thing you need to grab? Check them.
No, doesn't look like it.
Oh, everything's the same.
Yeah,
Looking good.
I like these back ones way better.
Yeah. Front one video is gonna be like 15 minutes long. This one's gonna be like 4 minutes long, 5 minutes long. Get the door handle cable connected in there.
Yeah. Just trying to make sure that it's out of the road, you know.
Yeah, not pinched.
Seems legit. Those screws were kind of a pain to start on the other one.
Oh yeah. Just coming down. Noodle.
I don't know, I need the light inside.
Yep.
I don't think. Okay, so there is actually like a little channel for the cable to snap into before the main portion of the cable locks into the actuator. So make sure that that's routed properly. And that should give you enough room to get this thing locked in place. Now I'm just trying to see what I'm doing down here.
Oh, so the channel's in the plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me the channel on the old one?
Yeah, so it'd be like, I guess it's part of the, something on the inside of the door.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, on the back side, I think.
Yep, or the handle.
Yeah, on the back of the handle.
Cool.
Snap.
Plug that in, right your door. The cable's through there. Stick this back on. Something like that. Have to take your light out of there. Spin this wheel around. That. Oh, I can't see a damn thing.
It's up here.
No, right. There. Okay. Now, maybe I did screw that up. I don't know. Maybe that is supposed to go on there first. And then once those are on, this piece goes on. Like that.
Sure doesn't go between the window and the metal?
Yeah, but this one hooks on like that.
Yeah, but that's a sliding window.
Yeah. Like which? What were you saying? The other way around, backwards?
I don't
You get rough with it, you know?
Jam her in.
Okay, speakers connected, doors connected. That trim piece is on. That's all good. Door switch goes back in. Like that. 2 screws. this. Except I'm thinking this goes on first. Something like that. That's on there.
Test it out.
Luck me. Our fingers. Good. And you try to open up the door. And then you have to pull again.